Hey everyone, welcome back, and you're at your girl Concrete Mermaid's channel. And today I'm showing you guys how to do a quick basic makeup look. I know I look a hot mess. My hair looks a hot mess. Listen, it was the weekend. I was like, I don't feel like washing my hair. Like, I don't know what to do with it. I tried to put it in 2 pigtails. It looked crazy. I was like, you know what? I could just do a pineapple. So I did a little pineapple. I did not put my bonnet on last night, so my hair is very dry. I'm headed to the mall to grab some essentials, but I wanted to just cam up really quickly and show you guys how I do my makeup, my basic makeup look. Going in with some primer. I already have my face lotion on, but I like to go in and just add a little bit more moisture back into my face. So I'm using my favorite hangover. Okay, I'm not gonna grab my mic. I think I'm fine. Hopefully I don't hear you guys telling me, oh, we can't hear you. I'm gonna speak up, okay? I look really tired. Like, I really look tired. Like, we have to do something about these bags, and yeah. So I like to do my brows first. And grab your little spoolie and just separate your brows. This is like a must. Then going in with my Anastasia brow pen and fill in those brows. So a little trick with this pen, I like to, when I set this pen down, I like to put it upside down on my little, on my little tray. So when I put it in here, it sits like this. Otherwise, when it sits like this, you get literally nothing out. So that's why it's so, like, if you notice, you get a lot more product out. So if you get this pen, make sure you're letting it sit this way. Okay, back to my brows. I literally have no hair on the side of my brows. And that's one of the reasons why I stopped getting my eyebrows done. Like, I don't do my eyebrows anymore. I used to get them shaped up, but because I really have no eyebrows, I don't do them anymore. I don't get them waxed anymore. I'm trying to let them grow out, but I've been saying I'm letting them grow out for the past 2 years. That's how long it's been since I got my eyebrows done. So what I'm doing is I'm just following the lines of how the hair grows out. So I'm following the hair strokes. That's all I'm doing. Creating the extra lines, filling in each space like that. Then I go in with my concealer brush, which I got from e.l.f. And I'm gonna use NARS concealer. I always use Fenty, but I feel like switching it up today. And just gonna dab that on there. Just a little bit of product. And just draw a line under your brows. Yeah, this concealer is a lot. It's a lot more thicker than the Fenty. Yeah, it's very thick. And you just want to blend that in. You don't want your eyebrows looking crazy underneath, like, so you want to really make sure you like blend this in. My dishwasher is pretty loud. I hope you guys can't hear it. Alright, so just keep blending this in. Going in with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And just brush up. This is the only foundation I use. Going with your foundation. I'm not doing any lashes, so it's gonna be really basic. Grab your foundation brush and go in and brush that in. My face looks like I had a rough night, but I really didn't. It was raining most of the weekend here, so we kind of just chilled in and watched movies. We watched a bunch of African movies. I didn't really do much for the most part. I need to fix the lighting. I feel like the lighting isn't the best right now. Let me fix that. I'll be right back. Okay, I hope that is a bit better. Back to our program, right? Okay, so we did our brows, we did our foundation. Now I like to go in with a little bit of blush or just a little bit of bronzer on my cheeks just to create a kind of nice sculpting look on my face. Sometimes I use this. I mean, not sometimes. I use this all the time. You see that, right? And then I go in with a little bit of this color. I don't know what this color is called, but I use it. It's called Highlighter L Orange Illuminator. So I'll go in with some of this bronzer and on my cheeks. So I just align that area and then rub it in. See that? I love that. It's like a little nice little highlight. So going with this highlight. Don't be like me and wear a white shirt when you're doing your makeup. That doesn't work. Now I don't even know what this is on my shirt. Sorry, I get sidetracked, but geez, I don't know how that happened. Well, I know how that happened, but I don't care. I really don't care. Anyways. All right, so we're almost finished. And then I just like to go in with mascara. Where's my mascara? I'm like actually I bought one of these. I'm due for another one. I bought one and it arrived from Amazon. However, I don't know where it went, so I'm running on the like last bit of it right now. so it's pretty dry, but I'm going with your mascara. And this is Essence. I purchased this from Amazon. It's about $4.99. Yeah, it's pretty dry. I've been looking for this mascara for about 2 weeks. And at this point, I don't know if I ever got it now because I'm like, where is it? So I think I'm just gonna buy another one. It's only $5. It is what it is. Go in with your favorite concealer. I pretty much only used like 2 concealers, but I'm gonna go in with my Fenty concealer, and I'm gonna go in corner area and the side. I'm gonna also do it around my lips. Okay, grab a sponge. You can highlight your forehead if you want. I'm not gonna do that because again, this is just a basic look. I'm not trying to do too much. And I'm only going to the mall, so I'm not going anywhere special. Just make sure that's all blended out. I pretty much just follow the shape of my lips. However, it never seems to be even. And right now I'm going kind of like outside of my lips. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the best I can. So you see that looks crazy, but I'm gonna blend that out anyway, so I don't even care. So actually just blend that out. I think I want to add a little pop of color in the middle. I think I did a bit much with like the lining, so I'm gonna like use my concealer brush and kind of get that down. Yeah, so be careful, don't be like me with the lining, kind of overdid it. Let's put a bit of setting powder underneath our eyes. And the setting powder is from Morphe. I'll show you the cap. That looks so much better. Sorry if the lighting is going in and out. The sun is like going in and out because I'm actually using natural light, and I don't think that was a great idea. Okay, that looks so much better. See how that just made everything pop? If you don't have any setting powder, get you some setting powder by Morphe. It will transform your makeup. Literally. That looks so much better. Okay, and then you want to spray. Matte finish spray. So I like to do my bottom lashes after I spray the setting spray, because otherwise I'll spray it and then I'll just like blink my eyes really hard and then it's underneath my eyes, and we don't want that. That's not cute. And it's extra work too, like all of that just to blink my eyes really hard. So like I do this last. All right, I'm finished. I had to like fluff up my fro real quick because she was looking kind of crazy, but I'm about to head out. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.